when you're guarding a person, you gotta like there's two things you gotta cover. You gotta be able to just guard a person, and then you gotta be able to have passing lane defense. Like if a guy's a playmaker, that's them right here. I can't afford to just have these airplanes out, and then I could let him dart passes to all of his teammates. All right, I gotta like be in the lane to make him have to step and make a pass, make him throw it over, do something. Because if he's throwing it on the line to teammates, that's putting my teammates in closeout situations, and it's harder to guard. So that's one thing.